Bellissimo. Sunset. Although, how can you tell if it's a sunset or a sunrise? Maybe that guy out there is fishing just in the morning.
There is a house built out of stone. Wooden floors, walls, and window sills. Tables and chairs worn by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. This is a place where I feel at home.
Oh, Wally Bear knows Oni. Yeah, I miss her too.
Sweetie!
Just got triggered.
Stupid.
I know it's stupid.
Can we go outside and pray on it?
Home for you, for me, until the days appear from me, from you, and now it's time to leave and turn to dust.
Maybe I should say a prayer. Asema. Kichimanadu. Otapanani we Asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco.
Out in the garden where we planted the seeds, there is a tree as old as me. Branches were sown by the color green. Ground had rose and past its knees. By the cracks of the skin, I climbed to the top. I climbed the tree to see the world. When the gust came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on me. Held on as tightly as you held on me.
Nusana wat wing avian. Bigish, get you going to me, get in a bigish, beat up, wishing you a buck, get do, get mommy man.
And I
Bigish,
wish for you, for me,
in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven.